Tell us about the experience today and how you feel.
Oh my God, it has given me joy having accomplished this feat and graduated with the legendaries, with the great Central Lens University. I'm so happy to be part of this 14th graduation with the Central Lens University. My name is Rain, aka Lubega Obed.
Nebakol Obed,
Yes.
when did you start thinking about going back to school, and why did you think about going back to school?
I had this idea some years ago, something like 7 years ago. I used to attend different universities, but I couldn't accomplish because of some issues. But when I attended Central Lens University some 2 years ago, I've tried my level best to attend and to participate. And finally today, I've graduated.
Tell us about your classes. It's been alleged that you've been one of those class defaulters.
No. I wasn't a class defaulter. I've been attending my lectures every time, every moment. I have been here. You can ask our lecturers, you can ask my fellow students. They are here. They are all here. Education faculty, they are here. I've been attending regularly. So,
What was your best moment in class, and with which lecturer?
we have a lecturer called Semju, Mr. Semju, and the best moment he heard about me. I was in a lecture room, but he didn't know who exactly Bro, he didn't know that I'm the one, so he was asking himself, who is Lubega Obed? Who is Lubega Obed? And he was surprised finding Rain that he is his what? Student. So that was my best moment. Ladies and gentlemen, right here besides me is a honorable member of parliament, Mitiana municipality, and I'm so glad to tell you that he's one of my best friends, and he's one of the people who encouraged me so much to go back. And
we've seen lately seeing you hanging around with politicians and prominent politicians from one of the prominent political parties. Do we see you coming through 2026?
No,
Do you have any aspirations?
I think you've only seen me hanging out with only politicians who are members of NOP, because I'm also part of NOP. I'm a supporter of National Unity Platform. That's why you've been seeing me hanging out with only NOP members. You haven't seen me with anybody from NRM or only NOP, because they are my friends and I love what they do, and I'm part of them, by the way.
Do we see you draw inspiration from them to join them in the race?
Yes, I was inspired by different people, but one of them is here. I was inspired by Honorable Zake, and I'm so much proud of you. Thank you so much.
Congratulations, brother.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
Are you coming 2026? 2026, are you coming?
In Songezo, ladies and gentlemen.
English,
Okay. Such issues are not for today. Today, they are only celebrations. We are only celebrating our feat because I've really worked hard to achieve this.
Why education? Why not, let's say,
ICT, engineer,
MDT,
MASCOM?
engineering, MASCOM?
Because I love education. Yes. I'm a teacher by profession, so I was just upgrading. Yeah.
So are we going to see you going back to class to start teaching?
No. I may not, but you never know. Things change.
The way you're speaking English today shows like you're taking a different career path. Are we seeing you back on stage with English?
You are going to see Maulanandreign doing comedy in English. Okay? So we are going to change the trend. We are going to start doing comedy in English. Yes.
Are you considering your audience?
I will yeah, I'm going to Abatamanyi Zungu.
English.
Oh, sorry. So with those fans of ours, the fans of Maulanandreign, who can't understand English, we are very sorry. We have performed for you for over 5 years. So let's also tap to this audience, the English audience. Yes.
But in the English audience, there is a lot of tight competition. Will you manage the
We are very ready. We are very ready. The competition is much here in Luganda, but we are very ready to compete with those English comedians. Eh? Because he didn't upgrade, he didn't come for studies. No, he's somewhere. He has an interview somewhere. That's why he's not here. Guys, yes, talk to the Honorable. And by the way, this seminar just coming again. Today you are upgrading for a new. Yeah, tonight we are in number 8. So ladies and gentlemen, my fellow artists, fellow musicians, go back to school. Because I don't serious.
Lwaki teyeesimbyewo mu bukulembeze?
Weekends. Education bali yasoma mbolide. Tusoma mbolide abana bagula. Every semester bera ya week.
Abantu basinga bagambye kuweka comedian bakuwadenga ko comedian. Bagamba mbu comedian susokola oba nga kino ekyabadde okutengetenge. Omususu okwongula mususu n'okukomedya abantu bakusokola. Ate kusozanya comedy.
Straight because we are professional. So right now you're talking to a teacher. And by the way, let's shift to English because
Rain, the chiko.
Stories.
Takikuba nnyo.
Yes, because if I continue with your class, you will bring your fake stories. So let's begin with English for the start of some of the stories. Guys, things are changing. Even the language I think you can hear. English I'm speaking is not our usual English. I used to speak.
Do we expect you to start doing comedy in English as Salvador and the likes?
Expect maulanandreign to be doing comedy in English. Yes.
Don't you think?
We are changing everything. We are doing this education for the betterment of
Luzungu.
and for the betterment of our country. So anytime we have a version here,
Don't you think this is going? Don't